Zimbabwe, my friends, land of beauty, resilience, and missing ministers? You heard right. It seems some of our elected officials have developed a sudden allergy to parliamentary benches. They are ghosts, phantoms, figments of our democratic imagination. Except these ghosts are very real, and they are costing us. Now, I understand Parliament isn't always the most thrilling place. You've got long speeches, complicated bills, and the occasional nap. But here's the thing. It's where laws are made, where budgets are scrutinized, where the government is held accountable. It's important. We, the people, are paying for these ministers, their swanky cars, their fancy houses, and they can't even be bothered to show up for work. Come on, guys. This isn't just about empty chairs, though. This is about empty promises and empty accountability. When ministers don't show up in Parliament, laws are passed without proper scrutiny, budgets are approved without proper debate, and the concerns of the people go unheard. It's like trying to run a car with only 3 wheels. Sure, you might move a little, but you're not going to get very far, and you're probably going to crash. This absenteeism erodes public trust, and rightly so. It's hard to have faith in a government when your elected officials can't even be bothered to show up for their jobs. Imagine going to the doctor and they diagnose you without even looking at you. That's the level of negligence we're talking about here. How can we expect our government to address the issues facing our nation when they can't even be bothered to show up to discuss them? It's time for a serious reality check. Improving ministerial attendance won't solve all of Zimbabwe's problems, but it's a step in the right direction. It's about restoring trust in our democracy, about making our leaders accountable, and about building a better future for all Zimbabweans. So let's get those ministers back in their seats where they belong. Let's remind them that they work for us, the people. After all, it's our house. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a parliament to watch. And trust me, I'll be keeping a close eye on those empty chairs. Tea.